Is your iPhone charging slowly? Don't replace your charger just yet. Before buying a new charger or visiting customer support, please try this quick fix. Sometimes there are certain system settings you need to adjust to solve this type of issue. Solution 1. Clean the charging port. Wrap a soft cloth around a wooden toothpick and gently remove any dust or lint. Don't rush or push too hard, as that can easily damage your charging port. After, after cleaning the port, try charging your iPhone again and check if the charging speeds has improved. Solution 2. Disable optimize battery charging. Go to settings, then tap battery and then select battery health. From there, turn optimize battery charging off. Sometimes the optimized charging feature intentionally takes more time to fully charge your iPhone. So turn it off if you want to increase your immediate charging speed. And yes, those are easiest and most basic fix. If this video helped you find a solution, please like, comment and share it with your friends who might be facing the exact same issue. If your iPhone is still charging slowly, I will cover more detailed solution in our upcoming videos. So for that, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.